Save our river! 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 Save our river!
Talk about
Save our river! You need to show up. You haven't been here enough, and we really need you, man. We've been trying to get you here. It's important.
Well, we've been involved in the issue, working through this. I mean, we're fully up to date on what's happening and all the work that's been going on. And of course, we missed out on this last bill getting the ultimate solution to it, which would involve the Central Everglades Planning Program.
But are you willing to stand here in front of us today and say that you won't take Big Sugar money and you support our cause?
Well, listen, this is more complicated than just sugar. It involves more than just that. I mean, if you recognize there's also residential issues involved here and all sorts of things. Agriculture, agriculture is an important part of our state, and they need to be a part of the solution as well. I mean, we're not going to
One more time.
Right here.